Slide 1 start. Have you ever wondered why your heart races, your palms sweat, and your mind goes blank when you see someone you're attracted to? Today, we're diving into the bizarre world of love and attraction, where science meets emotion in the most unexpected ways. Let's begin with something truly fascinating: the 36 questions that lead to love study. In this remarkable experiment, researchers discovered that perfect strangers could fall in love by asking each other specific questions in a particular order. But here's the twist: it's not the answers that matter, but rather the synchronized vulnerability that creates an almost magical connection. Now, let's delve into what I call the chemical love cocktail. Your brain, that mysterious organ, actually creates a concoction that rivals any master mixologist's creation. But here's where it gets weird. The same chemicals that make you feel euphoric when you're in love are also present in people experiencing obsessive-compulsive disorder. Speaking of oxytocin, the so-called love hormone, here's something that will blow your mind. It doesn't just make you feel loving, it can actually make you lie more readily to protect your relationship. Yes, you heard that right. The hormone of trust can make you less trustworthy. And dopamine? Well, brain scans show that looking at a photo of your loved one activates the same regions as cocaine use. Love is literally addictive, and that's not just poetry, it's neuroscience. Let's talk about some truly bizarre physical responses. Did you know that couples in love actually synchronize their heart rates when they're near each other? Even more fascinating, this happens without any physical contact. Your pupils tell a tale of attraction too. When you look at someone you're attracted to, your pupils dilate up to 45% larger than normal. But here's the twist: this response is completely unconscious, making it one of the most reliable indicators of attraction. Now, let's explore something truly peculiar: your voice. Research shows that both men and women unconsciously modify their vocal patterns when speaking to someone they're attracted to. Men lower their pitch, while women make their voices slightly more melodic. But perhaps the strangest factor in attraction is your immune system. Yes, you heard that correctly. The MHC genes that regulate your immune system create an invisible scent profile that others can unconsciously detect. You're literally sniffing out genetic compatibility. Speaking of genetics, here's something that might make you question everything. We tend to be attracted to people who look like our opposite-sex parent, but only if we had a positive relationship with them during childhood. Evolution works in mysterious ways. Let's talk about facial symmetry. While we've long known that symmetric faces are considered attractive, recent research suggests that it's actually slight asymmetry that makes a face memorable and compelling. Perfect symmetry can appear unsettling or artificial. Now for something truly baffling: lovesickness. In medieval times, it was considered a genuine medical condition, but modern science suggests they weren't entirely wrong. The stress of intense attraction can actually suppress your immune system. Here's an evolutionary quirk that defies explanation. Studies show that women are more attracted to men who are already in relationships. Scientists call this mate choice copying, and it's been observed across multiple cultures. Speaking of culture, let's explore some cross-cultural phenomena. While love is universal, the way it manifests varies dramatically. In some cultures, romantic love is considered a mental illness, while in others, it's seen as a spiritual awakening. But perhaps the most perplexing discovery is this: the feeling of butterflies in your stomach isn't just metaphorical. Your gut contains millions of neurons that respond to emotional states, creating actual physical sensations during attraction. As we look to the future, scientists are discovering even more bizarre aspects of love and attraction. Did you know that virtual reality experiments have shown that we can fall in love with avatars? The implications for future relationships are mind-boggling. Some researchers are even developing love algorithms that claim to predict compatibility based on brain wave patterns. But here's the catch: these patterns are constantly changing, making love as unpredictable as ever. Modern dating apps are already using some of these insights. But the irony is that the more we understand about the science of attraction, the more mysterious it becomes. Every answer leads to more questions. So what does all this mean for us? Well, while science can explain the mechanisms of love and attraction, it can't predict or control them. Perhaps that's what makes love so special: it's a perfect blend of the rational and the mysterious. As we conclude, remember this. Every time your heart skips a beat for someone special, you're experiencing a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for centuries. And maybe, just maybe, that's exactly how it should be.